Well, sweet.
Put your back into it. Yes, man. Put your back into it. Just getting home. Gonna surprise wifey. Watch out. What you do?
What you want to do?
I'm buying something for you today.
What's going on?
I'm buying something for you today.
What are you doing?
I need to unwrap these. I was on the road today and I saw these and I thought of you. So, tell me if you like them. The way you just squeeze up with something them for me, so if you unwrap you just squeeze up it.
Being weird. Me not even.
Go up,
Oh,
go on up there, so. Come on, capture you.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, if you unwrap you wanna squeeze up. Eh? Tell me now.
And I remind me of something we did to play birthday. Right here. Guys, me not have a.
I make sure you say don't. Make sure you when you unwrap you don't jump out of the video. Come hug me up. Make sure you stay in the video and stay in your moment.
Okay.
I don't want to see no. I don't want to see no eye water over there either.
I water. Pull them out one time.
Of course. Pull them out. Pull out that. And see what did it. And see what will be.
Wait, guys. What?
Heavenly.
Alright.
So this lady now she can't open the package because she don't have no nails.
I have a little bit.
So me have to get something sharp here. There you go.
Why? I look
Charades.
secret plans every time.
No, sir.
Well, sweet.
Put your back into it. Yes, man. Put your back into it. What's that? Cheers.
Wait, guys.
Look at her face.
Wait, I try for this. One life for Nathaniel. Wait there. Oh my God, which I know this is not going now.
Why? How?
Because we keep on telling Nathaniel, sir, if you remember to order the tripod for me. And they must say, it will come in due time. I said, but not. I said, not if you come in due time, I will not even order it yet.
Exactly.
He must say patience.
That was a good one. I sure know him. That was he know so much, but he might tell you. Jaja. That is very good. Yeah, man.
Because guys, normally ink I know from you.
No, not all.
No,
That is so true. So true.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait there, guys. Wait there, close up, and I go down.
Yeah. Watch out now. She start pulling out fast enough.
B.
She start pulling them out faster. Which one that, baby?
is this?
Which one that, baby?
Oh, man.
Huh?
Things are going.
Which one that?
You know,
I don't know.
standing one.
Let's see.
It's the one that
Let's see. Hmm.
go kill that. Not. Wait till your auntie sees you.
Hmm.
Oh yes.
Hmm.
Wait, wait. Wait, wait.
What?
This is the selfie stick one. Guys, we know that. Oh my god.
A lady a fall over.
Thank you, baby.
You put it back in her. You know, look on it properly.
It's more funny properly. I don't want to mix them up. Wait, this come with this. Guys,
That one is the most thoughtful.
this one.
Yes. That one. Sometimes spend on a one day.
Okay.
Sometimes spend on a one day for real. Maybe the one that make her cry. Maybe.
See, kind this is right now.
Alright, no crying business. I said maybe. What? Oh, you make you laugh.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Hey, Jesus. So, wait there. B. Oh, baby. Yeah. This customized B.
Yep.
Oh my god. You may be one person to the whole world, but to me, you are the whole world. Oh my god. The Edwards. The two hearts. Oh my god.
You're missing the most important part. Look on the deep.
Hmm?
Look on the deep. Deeper than deep.
And the pictures with me and you.
Look deeper than that. Look at the blue part properly.
Me. Can't do that.
You see?
How do that be? Sticky camera. Zai pacifier again.
Mm-hmm.
Where do this be?
Because it might always go be a part of a journey.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you so much. Guys, let me show them. Turn up my next one. Look at this, guys. The Edwards. This is my baby pacifier right here. Oh, this is so thoughtful. I love this.
It'll come with a screen protector.
Remember the picture when we
You remember
second
that?
anniversary. Oh yes.
This has so much memories and journeys.
My goodness. I love it. And then it come with the tempered glass.
Yeah, so this one can't be scratched. It's not just scratchy. It
Invisible
It
film.
heal itself.
Really?
Yeah.
Hear that, guys? Hear that, guys? Girl, that's awesome. Oh yes. Oh my god.
It has to repair itself.
Mm. Okay.
Scratchy.
Guys, the girl step out and Cyan. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, stop like a crazy. Thank you, baby. No. Oh, me pull out everything. Okay. Guys.
That's for gift, please.
So this is the
Selfie stick coming a remote.
selfie stick. Oh my goodness. Come with what?
A remote, so on tripod too.
Oh yes. Okay. Okay. I'm liking it, guys. I'm liking it. I love this. You know, Mr. Tilo. You and Terry catch me for the first time? Oh man, something wrong. And Choey,
Yeah.
Choey not even pinch me and tell me, oh go on, Choey. I thought we were, closer than that, Yeah. Choey diss me. Choey, you diss me. Oh, you're so dark, Choey, you diss me. Remember, say you diss me. But anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for helping out my husband. Thank you. So guys, this is one of the gifts that my husband just got me. This phone case right here for my phone. Oh my god, I love it so much, guys. Look at it. My baby pacifier right here. And guess what again, guys? I didn't even realize, the way I was so excited, I didn't even realize that the phone case was in my two favorite colors, which is pink and blue. Oh my god, look at this, guys. I love it. And it feels good. Feel good, guys. Aww, I love it. So yes, guys. And this is the phone that I gift myself. You know, I have to take care of you too, you see me? Yeah, so this is what I gift myself. This is the Samsung 22 Ultra. Yeah. And then my hubby just make it extra special, Oh my god. Thank you, baby. I just want to take this opportunity to big up Romain Virgo, DDG, and Halle Bailey, our first black mermaid, for stopping by at Patsy's coffee shop.